and just trying the hair out in different ways. Now I'm in luminance category. And I want to try out the stars, but first, right now, I don't want a black star, so I'm going to have to make a black, darker background. And here's something that I discover. Okay, I'm using the Nebula tool, and I'm coloring it there, I don't know, with my pencil or my finger. Yeah, it was with the pencil, the Apple Pencil. And then I press down hard. I keep going harder and harder, and all of a sudden the color comes up. So it happened to be in the yellow category, from yellow all the way to black. And then you press hard, and then I tried it out to see if that would happen with my finger, and it did. So I'm pressing harder and harder with the finger, and all of a sudden the yellow pops in. And so that happened with the pencil or the finger. So that's very interesting. I've been using the iPad for 5 years and never knew that. I'm not sure even if I'd have a use for that. So next one. Oh yes, I want to go back to the luminance category and add in the stars. Pretty much the same way with the Apple Pencil or your finger and putting in the stars. Now I'm going to use Rusted Decay. And as I go along in the next few boxes, pretty much what I've discovered about the Apple Pencil, there's nothing new. I'm just I'm just checking it out just to see if there is something new that comes up. But I was surprised to learn that with these big paintbrush styles, oh, there I am on the right. I'm not sure if I used my finger there or the pencil, but with these big paintbrush styles, you would think you would have to put your pencil on an angle to get it wider. And maybe that's sometimes true, but I found out for the most part, no, use the point, and the point actually will paint the bigger styles. So now to cotton. Oh, I found out here with the cotton or any kind of the airbrush or the cotton was I could get a better range of tones and control. I actually had better control with my finger, and for making things look, for controlling the size and shape of it, I had better control with my finger than with the pencil. For when I'm looking for like fuzzy, soft shapes like that. Now I'm going to choose wash. And I don't think I discovered anything new there. So now there's only 2 more boxes to go. And here, I must be using wash again. And now the last box, I'm going to try writing as if I was going to write my signature. So I divide this box in half. And I choose a very fine line. And here on the left side, I'm using the Apple Pencil. And I find that I do have, in that tight space, of course, I do have better control with the Apple Pencil. But the thing is if I wanted to do a small signature, I can always zoom up. You can always zoom up in Procreate. Well, that's what app I'm in on the iPad, Procreate, and you can always zoom up and make a small signature, and then zoom back down. But here, if I wasn't zooming up, of course I have better control on the left side with the pencil, and here I try to write in that small little tight space my first name, and it doesn't, and it's harder to do, and I can't, and it messes it totally up. But there is a way around it, like I said, zooming it up, and then you can write a small signature. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I know the Apple Pencil's been out for 2 or 3 years, and I'm just giving you my thoughts on it right now, which I'm a little bit embarrassed about, but better late than never. And maybe there'll be somebody out there that can get something out of this, which I hope so. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, or subscribe below. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much.